Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make JPEG files on mobile, so let's get right into it. For this, you don't need any app and all you will need is a web browser, but you are welcome to use any converter app of your choice if you wish. So, open your web browser, mine is Google, and search for online converter. A lot of options will show up and this method will work similarly on each website, but for this video we will use the first option here, onlineconvert.com. Here, there will be two drop-down menus. So for this example, we will convert from a PDF file to a JPEG. Tap the first drop-down menu, press Document, and then tap on PDF. And then for the second drop-down menu, we will select JPEG. Now scroll down to choose the file that you wish to convert into JPEG. And then press Open. And then after uploading, you may notice here when you scroll down that there are a lot of options. Now you can change them as you wish, but these default settings are already pretty good, so you don't need to change them. And then press Start after it is uploaded and wait for it to process and convert. After it has converted, on this page, you can now download the files you just uploaded. So that is it. Fast and easy, guys. I hope this video helped you and thank you for watching.